Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card Review. Hello, world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. In today's video, I'll be going over the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card. Overview. When it comes to Southwest personal credit cards, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card is in the middle of the pack. While airline credit cards don't usually come with a lot of perks, the card's $99 annual fee should be offset by the lack of foreign transaction fees and 6,000 anniversary bonus points. When it comes to the Southwest Rapid Rewards card portfolio, you'll generally get better earning rates and more flexible redemption options with cards that earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which you can then transfer to Southwest at a 1:1 rate, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. Southwest credit cards, on the other hand, have remained extremely popular among Southwest fans, especially since all three tiers of Southwest's credit cards currently offer a sign-up bonus of the coveted Companion Pass and 30,000 points when cardholders spend $5,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. The Companion Pass obtained through this limited time offer allows the cardholder to travel with a designated travel companion on all trips booked with Southwest points or cash and is valid until February 28, 2023. Travel companions will only be responsible for their trip's taxes and fees, which start at $5.60 each way. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card, the middle of the three personal Southwest cards, has a good balance of perks and an annual fee that could make it worth a spot in your card collection, especially since it's currently offering one of its best welcome offers ever. The Companion Pass may be enough to entice you to apply, but this card has a lot more to offer. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of this card. Pros. Allows you to add to your Southwest points earned by flying. This card gives you 2x points on Southwest purchases and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases, giving you another way to earn loyalty points with the airline besides flying with them. Of course, those reward points can be used toward flights, and they also put you on the fast track to a free Companion Pass. After you complete 100 qualifying one-way flights or earn 125,000 qualifying points within a year, you can bring a guest on all of your flights for free plus taxes and fees. The benefit is valid for a full year, as well as the remainder of the year in which you achieved the milestone. Generous bonuses. In addition to earning points on purchases, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Visa offers a variety of other ways to earn rewards. Up to 100,000 bonus points can be earned. Earn 50,000 bonus points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months of your account's existence, plus another 50,000 bonus points after spending $12,000 in the first year. When used to redeem for flights, this can be worth up to $1,450 on average, based on our $0.0145 valuation of a Southwest point. On their first and subsequent anniversaries, card members receive a 6,000 point bonus. Cons. $99 annual fee applies. Even in your first year with the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards card, you cannot earn points for free. The $99 annual fee is charged on your first account statement, and then every year after that. No luxury travel perks. Other airline cards offer perks like complimentary lounge access, onboard food and beverage credits, and discounts on the cost of global entry or TSA pre-check. There aren't many niceties on this card. The Companion Pass is as luxurious as it gets when it comes to travel benefits. My thoughts on the card. The Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Visa, like most airline cards, is designed to cater to loyal Southwest Airlines customers. The card's introductory bonus of 100,000 points alone more than compensates for the $99 annual fee. After that, even for those who only fly Southwest a few times a year, the annual 6,000-point anniversary bonus makes the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Visa financially viable. Cardholders can earn even more points by using the card to pay for hotel stays and rental cars with Southwest partners during those trips. Purchases made with the card are also expected to help frequent Southwest flyers get closer to the six-figure annual mileage required to earn the Companion Pass, which allows them to bring a travel companion on all flights for a year. To qualify for the bonus, you must not currently own a Southwest Rapid Rewards credit card or have received a new card member bonus for one in the previous 24 months, as is the case with many cards. Except for bonuses for business credit cards, you can have received a new card member bonus from Chase, the card's issuer, within the previous 24 months. The most obvious use of points earned with this card is to book Southwest flights. The number of points required to redeem a ticket is determined by the fare. There are no restrictions on when you can use your rewards. Aside from Southwest airfare, you can use your points to get gift cards, merchandise, international flights aboard 50-plus carriers, hotel stays with partner brands, rental cars, exclusive experiences. The number of points you'll need to redeem, as well as their value, is determined by the redemption option. With the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Visa credit card, there are several ways to maximize your rewards. The first is to earn the bonus of 100,000 points. To do so, you must spend $2,000 within the first 3 months with the card on any purchases. You'll get 50,000 points, which are worth about $725 when used to book flights. After that, spend another $12,000 in a year to earn another $50,000 in points. Flying with Southwest and staying loyal to the airline's partners when making other travel arrangements is one way to do so. When you book with rental car companies like Avis, Budget, Hertz, and National, or hotel companies like Marriott, Radisson, and Best Western, you can earn Southwest points. If you don't spend $1,000 or more per month with Southwest and its partners, as required to earn the 50,000 points, up to 100,000, you can make up the difference by charging groceries, online shopping, or gas. However, you should weigh the benefit of earning the extra bonus points against the benefit of charging those expenses to another card that offers more than 1.5% in value per dollar spent, which is close to the effective rate earned with this card's 1 point per dollar spent. By referring others to the card, you can earn even more rewards. If they create a new account, you'll get an extra 20,000 bonus points with little effort. Keep in mind that this bonus is limited to 100,000 points per year. The Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Visa is a no-frills airline card that offers 2x points on Southwest purchases from the airline and its partners, but not much else, aside from the lack of a foreign transaction fee for international travel. It doesn't come with any of the travel benefits that some other airline cards do, and it only gives 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. This card is only worthwhile for those who fly Southwest frequently and want to use the card's substantial initial bonus points to purchase flights and possibly work their way up to a free Companion Pass or a higher membership tier in Southwest's loyalty program. Otherwise, the Southwest Rapid Rewards Premier Visa is a dubious choice for frequent flyers who don't want to commit to an annual fee for a card that only earns Southwest points. The Southwest Premier Card also comes with a welcome bonus of 40,000 points after you spend $1,000 on purchases within the first 3 months after you open your account. The card's previous far more impressive bonus offered up to 100,000 points for spending $12,000 in the first year after account opening, 50,000 points after spending $2,000 on purchases in the first 3 months, plus another 50,000 points after spending $12,000 on total purchases in the first year. Although this recent change makes the card's welcome bonus more accessible to cardholders who spend less each month, it severely limits the card's overall potential value and curbside appeal when compared to its competitors. This wraps up my review of the Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards Premier Credit Card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.